In this video, you'll learn how to upload images for video generation on Higgsfield AI. By following these instructions, you will be able to successfully create videos using your images on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the section labeled AI Video Generator and Image Generator and click on it. This action will redirect you to the main interface for video creation. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Video. This will take you to a new screen where you can start the video creation process. You should see options related to video generation displayed clearly on this page. After that, select the Create Video option. This will lead you to a setup area where you can begin configuring your video project. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Now click on the option labeled Highlight. This is where you will specify the scene you want to include in your video. It is essential to have a clear idea of the content you wish to create. Type in the specific scene you want to generate. This input will guide the AI in understanding what images or visuals to incorporate into your video. Make sure your description is detailed for the best results. Next, you will see an option labeled Sound Off. Click this to disable any background sound that may interfere with your video. This step is crucial if you want a clean audio experience. Continue by clicking on Elements. This section allows you to add various elements to your video, enhancing its visual appeal. Look for options that fit your creative vision. After that, select Model. This will let you choose the type of model you want to utilize for your video generation. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the available models for optimal selection. Next, click on Kling 3.0. This option will provide advanced settings for your video generation process, allowing for more refined outputs. Be aware of the features each model offers. Proceed to click on the duration option and select 5 seconds. This will set the length of your video clip, ensuring that it meets your requirements for the project. Then click on the resolution setting to choose either 720p or 1080. The resolution will affect the quality of your video, so select based on your preference and the capabilities of your device. Next, return to the main section of the AI video generator and click on Create Video again. This action will bring you back to the video setup screen where you can continue your project. After that, click on Change. This option allows you to modify any previously selected settings or elements as needed. Take your time to ensure everything is set correctly. Now select Higgsfield DOP. This will provide you with a variety of presets and motion options that can enhance the overall look of your video. Next, click on All to view every available preset. This will give you a comprehensive list from which you can choose the most suitable options for your video. After that, click on New to create a fresh project. This action will reset your settings and allow you to start with a clean slate if necessary. Proceed by clicking on Trending. This section will show you the most popular presets currently in use, which can inspire your creative direction. Next, click on Effects to explore various visual effects that can be applied to your video. These effects can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Then click on Basic Camera Control. This will grant you access to fundamental camera settings that can help in adjusting the perspective of your video. Now, select Epic Camera Control. This option will provide advanced camera features for a more dynamic video presentation. After that, click on Catch the Pulse. This feature will add rhythm to your video, aligning visuals with any sound or music you may include. Next, click on Mix. This will enable you to blend different elements and effects together for a cohesive video. Then select Turning Metal Axe. This option will apply a specific style to your visuals, adding a unique touch to your project. Now, click on Highlight once more. This step ensures that all the necessary highlights are included in your video. Next, click on Upload Image or Generate It. This is where you will upload the images you want to use for video generation. Ensure that your images meet the platform's requirements for optimal results. Then click on I agree, continue. This action confirms your acceptance of the terms and conditions, allowing you to proceed with the upload process. Now, type in the highlight once again. This will remind the system of the specific content you are focusing on for your video. Next, click on Enhance On. This will activate any enhancement features that can improve the quality of your visuals. Then click on Higgsfield Standard. This will set the standard processing options for your video, ensuring a consistent quality throughout. Finally, click on Generate. This action will initiate the video creation process, compiling all your selections into a finalized video. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your images, this may take some time to complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.